How to log out of your WeChat account on your mobile device. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can log out of your WeChat account. So first of all, open your WeChat app on your mobile device. And now as you can see, I'm currently logged into my account. So in order to log out of my account, it's really quick and easy. All you have to do is tap on your profile, which is on the bottom right corner of the screen. So it says me and tap on it. Now once you're on this page, tap on the last option, which is settings. Now on this page, if you look closely at the bottom side of the screen, you'll see the option log out just below switch account. So simply tap on it, and now it will ask you whether you really want to log out or not. So you'll have to confirm it by tapping the option log out again. And there you have it. You have successfully logged out of your WeChat account on your mobile device. So that is basically how you log out of WeChat on your mobile device. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.